Caring for your dark skin is a must if you want your dark skin to be glowing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. It's not going to take you anything, just subscribe. Okay, so in today's video we are going to be talking about how to make your dark skin glow. So the question now is, what and what will a dark skin person need in their skincare stash in order to achieve that sought after glow? So like I always say, you don't really need to be fair or white in order to have that luminous glowing skin. You just need to use the right product for your dark skin, and that is the whole essence of today's video. I'm going to be walking you through the best product for dark skin, ingredients that you need to avoid, and the best ingredients for your dark skin. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So a lot of people do not really know their complexion, so we are going to be looking at who is really a dark skin person. A dark skin person is someone who have a deeper skin tone due to higher amount of melanin on their skin, and this is common with African American, Asia, and other ethnic groups. So having a dark skin is not something you should be ashamed of. Rather, you should be able to give your dark skin that luminous, beautiful glow, so that when you pass people, even a fair skin person is going to be envious of your skin tone, because the glow on your skin is actually going to be blinding. Now let's talk about ingredients that you actually need to avoid as a dark skin person, and that includes hydroquinone, alcohol, mercury, steroids, and then you should also avoid using alpha hydroxy acid without recommendation, because this alpha hydroxy acids can actually tamper with the pigments on your skin, thereby leading to hyperpigmentation or discolorations on your skin. So you really need to avoid all those ingredients right here. Now, the best ingredients to look out for if you're a dark skin person that wants to glow their skin is number one, shea butter, cocoa butter, hyaluronic acid, almond oil, vitamin E, vitamin C. These are great ingredients that are going to help moisturize, nourish, and make your dark skin glow. So if you're looking to achieve that smooth, soft, beautiful dark skin, then you definitely need all those ingredients in your skincare routine. So if you're buying any skincare products and you're not seeing any of these ingredients listed above, then you need to double check, because all those ingredients are ingredients that are going to help smoothen and give you that luminous glow. So now, with all of that out of the way, let's take a look at the best body care products for a dark skin person. So the first product I'm going to recommend you use if you want to make your dark skin glow is a body soap. And the particular body soap that I love and I'm definitely going to recommend you use as a dark skin person is this Dove Purely Pampering Body Wash, and this is it right here. See, one thing I always advise you do if you have a dark skin is to avoid using bar soaps on your skin, and that is because bar soaps have a high pH that is expected to keep the bar together. So using these bar soaps on your skin is going to counter react with your body's natural pH level, thereby leading to dry skin, flaky skin, and making your skin look cracked. You really need to avoid using bar soaps if you have a dark skin, because most people with dark skin actually battle with dryness on their skin. So if you're out to make your dark skin glow, you definitely need to be using a body wash in your skincare routine, and that is why I recommended this Dove Pampering Body Wash. This is a very nice body wash that is going to moisturize, nourish, and give you that beautiful, smooth, glowing skin. This is a really nice body wash that is going to help get rid of all the dirt and oils on your skin without making your skin feel dry. Believe me when I say this is luxury in a bottle. This body wash right here is formulated with ingredients like shea butter, warm vanilla, and is going to help soften and smoothen your skin. So if you want your dark melanin skin to be popping, definitely grab this body wash. You're going to love it. The fragrance of this is super amazing. It has this vanilla scent, and I actually love to use this on days I want to layer my vanilla scent, because it's going to help you build your fragrance right from the shower. So if you want your melanin skin to be popping, lay your hands on this goodie and you're not going to regret buying it. It retails at the price of 3,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from, while the smaller bottle, which is the 450 ml, actually retails at the price of 2,000 or 2,500. So you can choose to get the big bottle, which is a 750 ml, or you can get the smaller bottle, which is a 500 or 450 ml. So if you cannot afford to get this, or maybe you're actually a fan of using bar soaps, you can opt in for the Palmer's bar soap. It's also a very nice soap that is suitable for dark skin. And I also have a dedicated video on the best bar soaps for dark skin. So I'm going to try link the video up here and also in the description box for you to check that out. So yeah, the next or second step you need to follow if you want to make your dark skin glow is to always exfoliate your skin. And the scrub that I love that I'm going to recommend you use if you have a dark skin is this Dr. Teal's Shea Sugar Scrub with shea butter and almond oil. See, one thing most people fail to understand is that your skin can never glow or shine under its old layer. So if your goal is to make your dark skin glow, you also need to make exfoliation a part of your skincare routine. That way you can be able to remove the dead skin cells sitting on your skin and encourage new cell turnover. And that is why I chose this Dr. Teal's scrub that is going to help exfoliate, smoothen, and soften your skin. Using the scrub to exfoliate your skin 2 or 3 times in a week is going to give you that instantly soft, smooth, beautiful, glowing skin. The price actually ranges from 4,000 to 7,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. It's a really nice scrub that is going to get rid of all the dead skin cells on your skin and actually give you that beautiful, smooth, glowing skin. So if you cannot afford to get the Dr. Teal's scrub, you can actually get the Scabies Spa Lightning Salt Scrub, or you can go for the La Fresh scrub if you have a sensitive skin. These scrubs are actually suitable for all skin types and complexion. It's going to help get rid of all the dead skin cells on your skin and give you that beautiful glowing dark skin. Dove body polish is another awesome scrub that you can use on your skin. So these are effective scrubs that will help to exfoliate and glow your dark skin. Now let's move on to the third body care product you will need for your dark skin, and that is a body lotion or cream. The body lotion I actually love and I will recommend for a dark skin person is this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body lotion with cocoa butter. This body lotion is super amazing for dark skin. If you're not new on my channel, I believe you know about this particular body lotion because this is a very nice body lotion that is going to make your dark skin glow. A friend of mine have been using this particular body lotion for many years now, and guys, I'm going to tell you this for sure, you can never go wrong using this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body lotion on your dark skin. It's going to glow your dark skin. These days I just see a lot of Cocoa Radiant body lotion out there, and most of them, like, their colors are different and everything. But if you're looking to get the best, just screenshot this particular one right here and get this exact one. This is one of the best body lotion that you're going to use on your dark skin. Is going to smoothen and glow your dark skin. So this is definitely a body lotion you're going to enjoy. Like, it doesn't make you sweat. If you have used any Vaseline body lotion before, you're definitely going to understand how this body lotion works. It's going to give you that beautiful glowing skin. And the scent of this body lotion is to die for. So if you're looking for a body lotion that will glow and make your dark skin pop, definitely try this body lotion and thank me later. The small size actually retails for 2,000 naira, whereas the big bottle retails for 3,000 or 3,500 depending on where you're getting it from. So this is an awesome body lotion that is going to glow your skin. So if you still cannot afford to get this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body lotion, or maybe it's not easily accessible in your location, you can simply opt in for this Palmer's cocoa butter. This is another awesome body lotion that I enjoy the fragrance and is also going to glow your dark skin. It's so amazing and very moisturizing on the skin. So if you're a dark skin person, you need to be using body lotions that can actually moisturize, nourish, hydrate, and glow your skin. This retails for $8.49 on their website. So it's an amazing body lotion that I'm going to advise or recommend you get as a dark skin person. So if you still cannot afford to get any of these two body lotions, I have a dedicated video on the best body creams for dark skin. So I'm equally going to link the video up here and in my description box so that you can check that out once you're done watching this. So now the fourth or last body care product you're going to need in your skincare stash for dark skin is a body oil. And this Farmer's Cocoa Butter body oil pairs so well when combined with the body lotion. So this is a really nice body oil that I'm going to recommend you use as a dark skin person. This is definitely going to give you that smooth, beautiful, hydrated, glowing dark skin. So if you want a smooth, beautiful, luminous, glowing dark skin, give this a try. Like if you're using this particular body oil, pair it with the Farmer's Cocoa Butter body lotion, and you're going to love the glow on your skin. And you know, the amazing thing about using this combo together is the fact that you're going to get it for a lesser price if you order directly from their website. So you get the memo now. Just get this to combo and thank me later. Now, if you cannot afford or access this Farmer's Cocoa Butter body oil, you can actually opt in for this Vaseline gel oil. This is another awesome body oil that is going to glow your dark skin. It's going to even out your complexion and make your skin feel a lot smoother, soft, and tender. So if you want your dark skin to be popping, just grab this and you'll be in for a treat. Now let's summarize all the body care products you're going to be needing and how you're going to use them. So I'm going to definitely be grouping this into option A and B. So the first option you have is this Dove Pampering Body Wash, then followed by your Dr. Teal Scrub. Thirdly is your Vaseline Cocoa Butter Body Lotion, and last is your Vaseline Cocoa Butter Gel Oil. So this is your option A. So now for option B, we have your Dove Pampering Body Wash, Care Beauty Spa Lightening Salt Scrub, Farmer's Cocoa Butter Body Lotion, and lastly is your Farmer's Cocoa Butter Body Oil. So this is your option B. So yeah, that is it for body care products for dark skin. Now let's move on to your face, because we are not about to have a glowing body without glowing our face equally. So the first product you're going to need in your face care routine for dark skin is this simple refreshing facial wash. This is a very nice facial wash that is going to help get rid of all the dirt and oils on your skin without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. It's very moisturizing and suitable for all skin types, so you can never go wrong using this on your face. It retails at a price range of 3,000 to 4,000 depending on where you're getting it from. So immediately you're done washing or cleansing your face, the next product you're going to need in your skincare routine is a face toner, and I definitely recommend using a hydrating toner if you have a dark skin. And I actually love this essential face toner. If you cannot afford to get this, you can get the simple facial toner. It's also a really nice toner that you can use on your face. It's not going to alter your skin complexion, rather it's going to hydrate and give you that beautiful glowing skin and prep your skin for your other skincare products to get absorbed into your skin. Immediately you're done toning your face, the next product you need to go in with is your face serum, and I'm going to recommend you use a vitamin C face serum. So the particular one I'm going to recommend you use is this Russian vitamin C serum. This serum retails at the price of 2,000 to 2,500 depending on where you're getting it from. It's definitely going to help fade your hyperpigmentation and give you that smooth, spotless, glowing face. So next up is your face cream or face moisturizer. And the face cream I'm going to recommend you use for your dark skin is this simple hydrating light moisturizer. It's going to help moisturize and glow your face. Now lastly, once you're done moisturizing your face with your face cream or face moisturizer, the next thing is to apply your sunscreen, and that is where this Dr. Rachel sunscreen comes in. This is a very nice and affordable sunscreen that is not going to leave a white cast on your skin. This particular sunscreen is pretty affordable and it gets the work done. So it's a sunscreen that is going to help protect and shield your skin from the sun. So these are all the products you are going to need in your face care routine. So yeah, I just found that the audio went off at this point. The reason for this voiceover, and that is how to make your dark skin glow on a budget. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.